Hey, good morning, my friends. This is MLive Chief Meteorologist Mark Torregrossa. I hope you made it through a nice weekend. We have about 12 to 18 more hours of mild weather in Michigan, and then hello winter, and it's going to come in phases as far as the cold goes. So we'll get to that here in just a moment. I would call it three phases. I would call it initial shock on late Tuesday into Wednesday, and then a second phase of cold toward the weekend. And next week we're seeing the signs of an Arctic front that will send us to some pretty deep cold for this time of the year, with to the tune of high temperatures sometime next week in the teens. High temperatures in the teens when the normal highs would be in the low to mid 30s. So you're talking 20 degrees colder than normal, so that's pretty significant. All right. Hey, good morning, Linda Allen. Let's get to it here. We do have some rain, some mild rain on the way. And there you can see it. Here is the rain. And so this will be increasing through the day. Let's look at the radar forecast. Spotty rain at times, and in the southeast you can get away with some dry weather and maybe get something done outside. As I'll show you, the temperatures will get quite mild today. I'd call it warm for this time of the year, although with the clouds and the wind it may not be necessarily feeling as warm as what the thermometer says. All right, this is 9 o'clock radar forecast, 10 o'clock in the morning, 11 o'clock. The showers probably starting up in the Bay City, Saginaw, Midland. Mary Burke, is it me or is there more rain during the winters now? Yes, there is quite a bit of rain recently because we've had warm winters, because we are warming. So here's 1 o'clock in the afternoon, 2 o'clock. That's why I say, in the south, it really may not be until this evening or overnight when steady rain showers kick in and the temperatures are going to be going up. So you could get some surprise nice weather in Jackson and Ann Arbor and Lansing and Flint, Detroit area today, Grand Rapids even. Chuck, sorry buddy, we've run out of time. We need to hold the temperatures at 50 for a few more weeks. Sorry, I warned you last week. I said, hey, this is it. Okay, so now we're into 5 o'clock on Monday. So again, I want to emphasize that in the south, we may get all the way through to dark before we get a whole lot of wetness. And we're at 10 o'clock there. And here's the cold front starting to develop some showers, maybe even a quick thunderstorm along it, and heading this way. Jennifer, Freiburg, any snow? Lake effect, not until Tuesday night or Wednesday on the west side of the state. I'll show you that to you in just a minute. So the big thing here today is that we're talking rain, but in the southern part of the state you might have about 90% of the daylight hours that stay dry. Okay. Now, of course, what about winds? Is it going to be windy with the... Yes, it is going to be windy with gusts up to 40 miles an hour. All right, so these are high temperatures for today. And again, they occur in the evening hours. So you might get time to go for a run or a walk. Annie Fritz, are we going to have 50 miles per hour in the upper peninsula and then snow? Yes, you are. You got a wind advisory and a winter storm warning in parts. I'll show that to you in just a minute. But high temperatures today, 55, Detroit, Ann Arbor 56, Saginaw 57, Lansing 58, Jackson 57, Grand Rapids 56.